back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you what we did with the dinette area and the built-in couch that we tore out in earlier videos. I work from home, so I need a desk, and we also need a table if we have company over, so we came up with this little design. This is not a step by step on how to build it, but more or less show you what we did, so stick around. This is the futon we ordered to fit in this area. Very nice looking futon. We'd ordered it months ago when it was on sale, so it had been in storage. Was a little nervous about the colors and if it would fit, but fits in nice and looks really nice. The only thing bad about it, it is so uncomfortable. So we will probably be replacing it at a later date, but for now it will get us by until we figure out what we want to do here. We're probably going to put in some two theater chairs. So let's get to the desk build. So here we are starting the desk. It's basically some 2x2s and some 2x4s used for the base, and then I capped that off with a piece of 3/4 inch plywood, tie it all together, and that made for a very sturdy base to attach my legs to. Here I am assembling the legs. They are made out of 1x4s, just screwed together and glued together to form an L shape and attached to the board or to the base. Here I am cutting out my tops, my drop leaves, and the main tabletop and the door that raises up. Here we are test fitting the back slide. Got my temporary monitor shapes with my mounts there to make sure everything works and will fit and shut. And here's a view of the back slides, the first attempt.
Stop, we're going to come all the way out. Here's where it's going to go. We'll stop right there. And then it'll go back down. Then it'll come back up.
Do it again, go back down.
And it goes back down. Up. I'll put a stop on it so it doesn't come all the way out. But once it's in there, it's not coming out.
Okay, it was time to start painting, so Kelly coated it with some Kills and then came back with some white cabinet paint that we used on our cabinets, and then brushed in some gray highlights, and this blended in nicely to make it match the interior of our camper. This is with the side panels on before it was painted, and that's the shelf where the computers will sit and the monitors attached to. And this is what it looks like after it's painted and complete. We got the two drop leaves on each side. Makes for a very large table when it's up, or you can put them down, and makes for a nice little narrow stand. And there it is in place with the computer monitors and everything set up. And this is how it works.
Alright, so here we go. The first time to try to put it down. Alright, so here's what we do. Rotate on monitors. Push it on the back. Tighten it up. Push it back. That one has got to be loosened up. Our speakers. Set them in there. Set that in there. Set that in there. Headphones. What's hitting on there? Oh, I know what's hitting on. I popped that door under there. Lock that back. I don't have those attached yet. Alright, now. That is so loose. There it goes. bring on the steaks. Perfect.